morning we had the case study session with group work, very exciting. I was really impressed by the group efforts, the way they approached the case study, the way they work together. Absolutely interesting and amazing actually.
I had a great experience with the candidates, first in the case study and then in the interviews. We met a lot of interesting candidates from all around the globe with different backgrounds, and I think it was really great to meet them and to see how they work.
Everyone in the team I had to observe was a 100% team player, and I think this should be correlated with the type of education they had here.
For us, it's of course a recruiting channel. We get the possibility here to have a first view on candidates with an international background who already have some professional experience, and to, in most cases, orient themselves for the German or European market, but who are probably also flexible to work in an international environment outside, because that is also important for us.
What I found were really impressive candidates, and in general it was the new contacts and the network I could extend for Molex, representing Molex a little bit, and hopefully, as mentioned, maybe one or two, maybe 3 new hires in the near future.
Of course, we found what we're looking for. We kind of strengthens our partnership with the Mannheim Business School, which is a benefit. And on the other hand, who might know, maybe there's one or the other candidate who will apply for a position, and we'll see how the application process is going.
It was a great experience to meet all the talented students here at MBS. We saw it's another opportunity to get in contact with them, help them improve for their further career.